morning everyone, it's me! And I'm all on my own, look! There's no one with me. All on my Todd, so there's no Lee to ask what she's doing. So I suppose the opening to this video should be, Paul, what are you doing? So the question is indeed, what am I doing? Well, I thought I'd come out for a little walk, have a little chat with you lot, talk about what's coming up, what we're doing over Christmas, ask you lot what you're doing for Christmas, so you can put a few comments down below, tell us what you're up to. I thought I'd get a bit of exercise in before the Christmas festivities start, as you know, we're going to drink too much, we're going to eat too much and all that sort of stuff. And anyway, we had promised to do our 6 months, you know, a video about our first 6 months aboard Hannah the Narrowboat, but that's kind of stretched into 8 months now, which we will do. We'll probably do that tonight. Maybe it'll even be tagged onto this video, I don't know. We'll have our Christmas lights on in the cratch, and we'll answer the questions that you lot have asked us on Twitter, Facebook, Google, all that, Google Plus and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, that'll be a bit of fun. Of course, it's a bit windy up here. I got a new Christmas present, everyone, but it's not even Christmas yet. Well, it's not really a Christmas present, I suppose, because it's for work, but there's a lot of you who follow us now. I'm a graphic designer and a musician, so I use Mac computers for all my work. And my laptop was getting a little bit slow. I got a MacBook Pro. That was getting a little bit tired, and I was panicking a bit because I've always had 2 Macs in the past, so just in case one breaks, then I have another one to jump onto. But that hasn't been the case since we moved aboard Hannah. So I thought, right, I've seen these new Mac Minis by Apple. I'll have a look at the spec. And I thought, yeah, you know what, that'd probably suit me well, because I've got a monitor already, got keyboard and mouse, all that sort of stuff. But I did think, well, it could do with a bit of a power boost, so I put it up to the top spec. So I put the top spec chip in it, and more RAM, bigger hard drive and all that sort. So that'll help me work, obviously, but it'll also help me with these videos. So hopefully things will be able to be done quicker. I'll be able to colour grade it nicer, and we'll be able to do some super duper stuff. Bit of B-roll like this. That was shot a couple of days ago when we went for a walk. Where were we? Up Lady Garden Drive. No, it's not Lady Garden Drive. It's Lady Something Drive. That's just what I call it because I'm a weirdo. Anyway, there's a park up there with a lake round it, and we had a little walk around there. I did some B-roll stuff, as you've just seen. Most of you still know I'm still battling with YouTube for the quality, because it won't give us the best AV9 thing or whatever it's called. It'll only give us the crappy stuff. So it compresses it. So I did buy Apple Compressor, which is a piece of software which should pre-compress it and hopefully help that out a little bit. I was using Adobe Media Encoder, but I just can't get on with that. So we'll see how that turns out. I'll do that. This video will all be encoded with the Apple stuff, so we'll see what happens. We might do a Christmas special as well. So I'm not quite sure what that'll entail, but this is our first Christmas living aboard Hannah the Narrowboat. So it's going to be quite interesting getting up in a little boat without loads of presents in the living room. So we've got to go back to Luton to open our presents because our daughter's in our house, as you may already know. So we'll go and visit my mum in the morning, then we'll have dinner around my daughter's, and then we'll come back to the boat, drink loads of whiskey and fall asleep, I should think. So what are you guys doing over Christmas? You staying on your boats? Are you cruising? Are you going to see family? Let us know in the comments below, and if you're doing a video about it, stick a link down below as well, or let us know on Twitter, and we'll come and watch it, because you're kind enough to watch ours. Anyway, that's about it, I think. I'm going to head back to the boat. I've got some work to do. So on my new Mac Mini. And obviously I've got to put this video together. I might do a little bit of more B-roll stuff as we go back. And that's it, over and out. If I don't speak to you before, have a really good Christmas. But don't forget, tonight we'll be doing the question and answers. See how that goes. Bye! splendid morning.